Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to unhide a pin Pinterest. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Pinterest, log into your account, and let's just say you wanted to hide a pin here in Pinterest. You just have to tap the three dots, click hide pin, and then select any option here. Let's just say not relevant to me. Like you just have to tap that one. And if you want to unhide a pin and you don't know the name of the username of that person or the person's profile, then it's kind of hard to hide it. So you have to remember it a little bit of its username before you hide the pin in Pinterest. Because as you can see, I cannot show you history here. So it's kind of hard to hide what you hide pin in Pinterest. But if you know or you remember the person's profile or the Pinterest username, you can just simply go to that site and then look for that image or pin that you want to unhide that you accidentally pin. For example, this one. Okay, so you can simply go to the site again and look for that picture or image that you unhide accidentally. Okay, so that's it. Now you can also undo to unhide it. For example, this one, I hide a pin, tap not in a language, something like that. And then you see the option here, undo. You just have to tap that one, and that's how you unhide pin in Pinterest. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.